Hello students, we will study more about white LEDs. So I will share the slides. Yeah, this is white LEDs. Here, by 2030, some facts I am explaining. By 2030, general lighting LED use will exceed 80%. That is 80% will use LED lighting. So because of this LED lighting, the power consumption is reduced by 40%. So we can save more than 25 billion economy, and reducing power plant emission CO2 by more than 160 million metric tons. So that are the advantages of this one. Some facts. So since incandescent bulb is invented by Edison, Thomas Alva Edison in 1882. So first incandescent, then neon lamp, then discharge lamp. Now it is advancing through the LEDs, semiconductor lighting, especially the white LEDs. So why we use white LEDs? So the advantages such as high efficiency, long life, excellent durability, and absence of mercury content. Okay. So in 21st century, green lighting source of 25th century, it is called this LED lighting is green lighting source of the 21st century. Okay. So LED fundamentals. So you go through these two videos. This is 5 minutes video and this is 8 minutes video, because white LED coming to S6 when we invented the blue LEDs. Blue LEDs invented recently in 2014. The inventor of blue LEDs got the Nobel Prize for physics. Right? You might be aware of that things. So refresh yourself. What make LEDs more robust than other light sources? What are the economic advantages? Why? What is color temperature of light? What color temperature is best for indoor lighting? Okay, you go through these things, find somewhere through internet or googling. Okay, so questions asked in KT: what is the basic principle of white LED? Explain the principle of white LED based phosphor converters. Using a dichromatic light emitting light, draw the structure of this one. So how to generate white LED using wavelength converters. So the same question repeated. Okay. So you know the white LED ideally composed of two, blue and yellow, either blue and yellow, or the three colors, primary colors, blue, green, and red. So the electromagnetic spectrum, visible spectrum, you will be knowing it is from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The chromaticity, some words are very important, not asking question, but you should know the chromaticity, the quality of the light regardless of luminance. What is luminance? Luminance, even though lights are various wavelengths, are equal power from physical standpoint, the visual system not equally sensitive to them. So we know that yellow is used for intensity. This intensity traffic lights. No other colors are used. I mean, for example, in foggy days or fogs, that places, Jammu and Kashmir, we are using this type of lights, right? Even though the intensity is, suppose the candela is 1000 candela, this is also 1000 candela, but the luminance is higher for this one. You can see that 94% luminance is there. Okay, I hope you understand. So even though the intensity of all the lights are same, so some lights are having more luminance. Okay, so the chromaticity is the quality of light color regardless of luminance. It is represented by CIE. So this is a French word, Commission of Interland, and the white color is coming here. It is 0.3 here, 0.3 here. That is 0.33 signifies equal energy point for white point. Okay. So more details are here. So if you are coming across any doubt, please contact me. Correlated color temperature. CCT is a measure of light source color appearance. So there are some cool colors and warm colors. Color rendering in the CRI. So this is a quantitative measure of ability of the light source to show the render the true colors of the object. So you might have gone through some images. So we cannot differentiate these colors, right? These two color or these two color, these two color. Some photograph you have taken in your mobile. So that is low quality, right? So suppose nowadays the mobile phones having this much CRI, color rendering index, so we can differentiate the different colors. Even though these two colors we can differentiate, right? So all colors are clearly differentiable, separatable. So that is called more the CRI, more the color quality. Okay. So you can see the CRI improvement. I was saying that 1/3, 1/3. Here the white, here the white color is here, 0.3 here and 0.3 this side. And this part is yellow, this part is orange, this part is red. Pure red is here and red variation is here. That you have seen in Microsoft Paint. You can see the different color pattern. So green is here, cyan is here. So this is internationally accepted color pattern. So from here we can move ahead. So how LED produce white light? Okay. So the combination of red, green, and blue primary colors will produce white light, right? So their combination, their intersection produce white light, right? So LED white lights, LED do not produce white. That is very, very important thing. So no LED will directly produce white light. So all LED lighting, we are using white LED, right? So you must understand that this is a very important thing, examination point of view, and for your understanding, no LED produce white light directly. So okay. So what is the conventional method? One is RGB method. So white light is produced by the proper mixture of red, green, and blue light. So the combining the output from red, green, and blue light, see in the last figure, we will get what you are getting. We will get a white light. Okay. So this can be done by combining the packaged emitters with the suitable optics, or by placing 3 individual chips inside a same package. 3 individual chips means one chip for red, other chip for green, and third one for blue. Okay. White light is produced by varying intensity of individual red, blue, and green light chips. So you will get a. So the very important point is that no LED will produce white light directly. So by suitable combination of these primary colors are mainly generating. This is one of the method of generating white LED. And so RGB mixing of white light, although visually the televisions, so and many other CRT displays use standard mixing is 3.6:1, 3:6:1. That is red color is to green color is to blue light. This is the ratio. That is relative intensity of 3 primary colors is like this. There will be a number of factors do not guarantee which will work for LED based lighting application. So these ratios will not guarantee for LED based lighting application. We will continue next class. Okay.